Today I'm showing you 3 quick and very easy ideas for New Year's, ready in minutes and perfect for the festive table. Enjoy watching! Recipe 1. Crispy potato balls. 3 ingredients. Ingredients: 300 grams boiled potatoes, 60 grams grated yellow cheese, 1 egg. Optional, a pinch of salt, black pepper. Preparation: 1. I mash the boiled potatoes until smooth. 2. I add the egg and the cheese and mix until I get a thick dough. 3. I shape small balls with wet hands. 4. I bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes until golden and crispy. They can also be cooked in a pan with a drop of oil. Nutritional value per 1 ball. Calories: approximately 38 kilocalories. Carbohydrates: 5.1 grams. Fat: 1.3 grams. Protein: 1.7 grams. Fiber: 0.4 grams. Recipe 2. Stuffed eggs. 2 types of filling. Ingredients: for the eggs, 5 boiled eggs, or as many as you like, a pinch of salt. Filling 1. Cream cheese and dill spread. 80 grams cream cheese, 1 teaspoon mayonnaise, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon finely chopped dill. Filling 2. Yolk plus cheese plus yogurt. All egg yolks. From the 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon grated yellow cheese, a pinch of salt. 1. Cut the eggs in half and remove the yolks. 2. Filling 1. Mix cream cheese, mayonnaise, and dill into a smooth cream. 3. Filling 2. Mash the yolks with yogurt and grated cheese. 4. Fill half of the eggs with filling 1 and the other half with filling 2. 5. Arrange on a plate and serve. Nutritional value per 1/2. Filling 1. Cream cheese and dill. Calories: approximately 46 kilocalories. Carbohydrates: 0.4 grams. Fat: 3.7 grams. Protein: 2.8 grams. Filling 2. Yolk and cheese. Calories: approximately 52 kilocalories. Carbohydrates: 0.3 grams. Fat: 4 grams. Protein: 3.6 grams. Recipe 3. Chocolate truffles easy dessert. Ingredients: mix 12 to 14 truffles, 200 grams dark chocolate or milk chocolate, 80 milliliters heavy cream, 20 grams butter, cocoa powder for coating. Preparation: 1. I heat the cream until hot, but without boiling. 2. I pour it over the chopped chocolate. Stir until smooth ganache forms. 3. I add the butter and mix well. 4. I refrigerate the ganache for 1 to 2 hours until firm. 5. I scoop small portions with a spoon and shape them into truffles. 6. I roll them in cocoa. They're ready. Soft, aromatic, and perfectly festive. Nutritional value per 1 truffle. Calories: approximately 72 kilocalories. Carbohydrates: 7.5 grams. Fat: 4.4 grams. Protein: 0.8 grams. Fiber: 0.9 grams. These were my 3 quick and easy New Year's ideas. If you enjoy recipes like these, subscribe to the channel and give a like. More festive dishes are coming.